Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to monitor your internet connection using command prompt. First, run command prompt. First command is to check network connectivity. Type ping 8.8.8.8 and -t. Hit enter. Now you can see your ping connection is show up. That's mean connection is up. If not, timeout will be shown. Like this. Second command is to check Wi-Fi signal strength and bandwidth. Type net shw LAN show interface. Hit enter. Now you can see the details about Wi-Fi network that I connected to. Download bandwidth. Upload bandwidth. Signal strength. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.